guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see, as Diwali is coming, we are going to make some diya lamp hanging. So before we get into this video, give us a big thumbs up right now and smash the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you guys will be notified and be the first to watch newly posted videos like this. So now let's get to the video. For making the lamp, first I have this dark blue sheet, and then I also have this outlined lamp. So I'm going to outline this with a pencil now. And now I have outlined this lamp, and now let's cut it. So now I have cutted everything. I have some 5 light blue colors and 5 dark blue colors, and I have also outlined them. So now let's outline this with the blue marker. You can use anything. You can also use a sketch pen, but I'm using a marker. So let's outline it. Okay, now we have outlined everything, and now let's go for the fire. And for the fire, guys, I'm going to use a small bit of yellow, and I have also outlined this fire shape, and now I'm going to cut it. You guys, now I have cut this, and I also have made like 10 like this, and I'm going to outline this with the yellow. I'm going to use the sketch pen. So if we outline, it will take a bright look, so that I'm outlining it. Let's outline it. Okay guys, and now I've outlined everything, and I also am ready with these things. Now it's the time to stick all these things on top of this. Yes, I'm going to use a tape to stick it. I'm going to stick it to the back side. If you want, you can also use the glue, but I'm using the tape so that it sticks well. So now let's stick it. Okay guys, I'm going to stick these, and I'm going to cut the cello tape. I have the cello tape ready, and I'm going to place this in the middle, and I'm going to stick it. That's all. It's done. And I've also stuck all the things. Here I have all made 10. I'm going to stick 5 in each row. So I also have my white thread that I'm going to stick on. So yeah, let's stick it. Okay guys, I have taken the length of the thread I want. I'm going to hang it in 2 sides. So I have taken the one side length, and now we are going to stick these lamps on it. Let's go. Again, I'm going to use a cellophane, and I'm going to stick it. Place the lamp backwards and place a thread on top of it like this, and you're going to stick this in the correct center. And after sticking it in the here, you have to stick also in the here, because it may fall out. So it would be not nice if it falls out. So I'm going to take a tiny bit and then going to stick. That's all. It's ready. If you have any extra tape peeping out, just cut this out so that there won't be any other tape. So one lamp is done out of 10. So let's also stick the others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick one light blue and then one dark blue, then one light blue. I'm going to do is 5 in one thread, another 5 in another thread. So yes. Okay guys, my first line is over. So I have stick in the order wise that I said. So it is done, and now let's go with the second row. Okay guys, our second row is also completed. So both our rows are completed. It is easy and super duper easy. It will take only less time to complete. Now I'm going to hang this on my wall and check how this. Okay guys, so all of my diyas are done, and it is hung in front of my door. guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up right now and smash the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you guys will be notified and be the first to watch newly posted videos like this. Stay home and stay safe. Enjoy your Diwali safely at home. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye bye.